Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have to discuss exercise 8.2, first year Federal Board, question number 12, which is the most important question here. Question says, show that the middle term of 1 plus x power 2n is this. This is we have to prove here. So here we have two different situations in binomial. We have to find out the middle term. For even power, we have a different formula. So this is 2n, it is the even power here. So the middle term, to find out the middle term for the even power, we have the middle term for even power, it is equals to n plus 2 over 2 term. So this is n plus 2. So what is the value of n here? It is 2n. So this is 2n plus 2 divided by 2 term. What is the value of n here, dear students? N, it is equals to 2n. So just take out 2 common here. So this is the n plus 1 over 2. So 2 will cancel out to this 2. So this is n plus 1th term will be the middle term here. So now we have to use the formula TR plus 1, that is equals to n combination R. We are going to use the formula to find out the middle term for the even power here. A power n minus R b power R. This is the formula here. So what is the term here? We are going to find out n plus 1th term here. So n plus 1th term here. So just we have to put the values here. What is n? N, it is equals to 2n. What is R? R is it is equal to n. And what is the value of A? It is equals to 1. That is 2n minus R. N is 2n and the R is n. And B is x power R. R means n. So this is the formula to find out the middle term here. We have to use this formula. So this is 2n combination n. 1 power with anything, it is equals to 1, and multiply by 1, there is no change in this equation here. So this is x power n. Dear students, but we have to prove this result. This result, it is equals to this one. So we have to expand this 2n combination 1 using the formula of n combination R. So here, this is n combination R. We are going to use this formula where n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. So we have to use this formula. This is 2n combination n. So what is the value of n here? It is equals to 2n. And what is the value of R here? It is equals to n. And we have to use this formula n combination R. It is equals to n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. This is the manual method to find out the combination, general combination here. So here we have to apply this formula. So what is n here? N, it is equals to 2n. And what is R here? It is equals to n. So just we have to put the values here. So this is 2n factorial, then R factorial, R means n factorial, and then n minus R, that means 2n minus n factorial into x power n remains same. So this will be equal to 2n factorial divided by n factorial 2n minus n, that is n into n factorial x power n. Okay, dear students, now we have to expand to n factorial. Here, if it is equals to given to you, it is n factorial. So how we have to expand? N, n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on, 1, 2. The last term will be 1, the second last term 2, and the third last 3, and so on. So this is the procedure to expand the n factorial. So here we have given to you, this is 2n factorial. So we have to apply this technique on 2n. We have to replace n with 2n. So that will be 2n, then 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, and so on. Third last term 3, second last 2, and the last one is 1. Fact. This is the procedure to expand the 2n factorial here. And this is x power n. Or now we can write down this like this: 1 into 2 into 3, and so on. That will be 2n minus 1 and 2n. So here will be 2n minus 2. N factorial into n factorial, and here x power n factorial. So dear students, here we have two different type of sequence. That is, number one is 2n minus 1, it is the odd number, and the another one is 2n, that is the even number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till this number. That means the odd numbers and the even numbers are mixed here. So we can separate the odd numbers and the even numbers together. So how? This is 1 into 3 into 5 and so on. So this is 2n minus 1. Separate the odd numbers, and then 2, 3 we have to use 4, 2, 4, 6, and so on. That will be 2n divided by n factorial and n factorial and x power n. So here, students, please remember this point here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So we have to separate the odd numbers here and the even numbers here. When we have to multiply this, you will get again the same result here. Now this is 1, 3, 5, 2n minus 1. So here 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, and so on. So that means we can take out 2 power n times common from this expression here. So that will be 2 power n into 1 into 2 into 3 and so on into n, 2 common. So this is here n factorial, and this is x power n. Now dear students, focus here. Focus here, this is 2 power n. This is 1, 2, 3, and so on. It can be written in n factorial. power xn. This is 1, 2, 3 up to n, that means it is n factorial. So this n factorial will cancel out to this n factorial. So this is 1, 3, 5 and so on 2n minus 1 divided by n factorial into 2 power n x power n. This is the required answer of this question. Dear students, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.